In this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate scale in Planswift. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up your plan. So I've got this house plan for this demonstration. Now, make sure we're on the Home tab. Now, below that, we want to go ahead and click on Scale. So now that we've got some presets we can choose from, if you want to go ahead and hit one of those presets, but you probably want to go ahead and make a custom scale. So go ahead and click on Scale. Now we've got auto, metric, FIS, or standard. So now for this demonstration, I'm going to choose the metric tab, and now I'm going to choose this to millimeters. And then from here, now what I'm going to put in is this number here. So it's 17640 from that point to that point. So I'm going to hit 17640 and now choose this to millimeters. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. Now we need to first click the point of dimension for scaling. So I'm going to go ahead and click this point here. And now I'm going to click the next point at the end here. So you can see in that dot. So I'm going to go there. Now, as I did that, it's going to set that scale for 17,640 millimeters.